Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video will proceed to the STPM Biology Semester 3 Chapter 14 Kingdom Plantae of Phylum Angiospermophyta. This is the last phylum for the topic Kingdom Plantae lah. Okay, so for this that we have to learn about this Angiospermophyta, already the last phylum under Plantae. Okay, so characteristic of Angiospermophyta. So Angiospermophyta is the flowering plants that you have learned from primary school until now. Kalau cakap flowering plant, semua tahu. Kalau yang lain, maybe the lain phylum for Biophyta, Coniferophyta, Phylum semua tak tahu. Kerana tak pernah belajar lagi. So flowering plant actually is very familiar to you lah. So the plant has seeds, and it is protected by ovary plot in ovary wall. So that is different from the Coniferophyta. Coniferophyta has seeds but its neck, no protection at all. But Angiospermophyta has protection by ovary wall. And then the plant has developed vesicular tissue. So phylum contains xylem versus trachea. Phylum contains sieve tube and component cells. Ini developed lah, well developed. Not like the Coniferophyta, Phylum contain yang simple only. Okay, and then the sporocyte generation is dominant, and it is also the heterosporous, same as the Coniferophyta, but the sexual reproduction is by flower. For the Coniferophyta is by stone, by the corn. Okay, but the Angiospermophyta is by flower. So the flower are unique to angiosperm. So it is very unique. So that is why it called as flowering plant. Only it can flower. Ada flower, ada bunga. Okay, it enable plants to use the insect as agent of pollination. And flower, why got flower? This flower can attract the insect to make a pollination. Kalau awak berbeza dengan gymnosperm actually no insect one. No bees, no insect one. Especially for bees. No bees one. Kenapa? Because no flower, no attraction. Flower, flower cantik. Awak tengok ni, cantiknya. Got flower, it can not only attract human, insect also rasa cantik. So and also for the Angiospermophyta, no external water is needed for fertilization. Okay, so this is the characteristic of phylum Angiospermophyta. But for the Angiospermophyta, actually already learned. For flowering plant, we have two types of flowering plant, right? That is dicotyledonous and monocotyledonous, right? Also, so actually dicotyledonous and monocotyledonous is the classes of the phylum Angiospermophyta. There are two types of class. This one actually don't think that is news. Actually, you already learned before. But normally, more people will focus on dicotyledonous. Monocotyledonous semua macam buang dah tak belajar. Ada belajar lah, tapi monocotyledonous mereka tak fokus lah. So the class for phylum Angiospermophyta, dicotyledonous and monocotyledonous. So these are the differences lah. Okay, so actually I use gambar lah. Ini gambar lebih jelas lah. Okay, so for the monocot characteristic and dicot characteristic for the embryo, for the formation of embryo, for monocot, only one cotyledon only one cotyledon. Cotyledon is what I think you already know, because Sem 2 you have done one of the structure in the embryonic development. For monocot, only one, but for the dicot have two. Okay, and then for leaf punya structure. For monocot, the veins will usually parallel. If you see the shape is normally is parallel. Dia akan parallel. But for the dicot, usually it is net-like structure. Dia ada macam ada banyak macam mana? Ada banyak shape lah. Got many shape at the leaf. Not only this, maybe got love shape or maybe got the shape yang macam-macam. But for the monocoque, only one shape macam ni saja. Okay, then for the stem, stem is the base, is famous differences. For the stem, the vascular tissue are scattered. Scatter means dia tak ada location yang dia tak ada unique location, dia macam-macam tempat lah. Ini semua yang awak ada tengok ini berbiji-biji, ini semua vascular tissue. Tapi for dicot, dia is the arranged in the vein. Dia ada satu vein form lah. Sangat proper lah. Improper vein is proper vein lah. Macam tu lah. And then for the roots, for monocoque is usually fibrous. Fibrous. No man root. Dia cincai punya. Dia macam ikut suka hati punya. Dia macam suka hati punya. Then for the dicot, it is the main root. So it called as step root system. So means that dia ada satu batang, dia akan keluar dia ada satu batang di tengah-tengah punya. Lepas tu baru ada yang fibrous punya. Dia ada satu batang yang tengah-tengah main root punya. Tapi for monocoque dia tak ada. Dia awak tengok macam cincai punya, macam wire dia tak ada peraturan punya, dia tak ada ator punya. Yang ni ada ator punya, dia ada satu root, lepas tu baru ada fibers. And then for the pollen grain, for the monocoque, monocoque is very pollen grain with one opening, only one opening only. Ini saja one opening. But for the dicot, it has 3 opening. Ini satu. And then the flower for the monocoque is usually multiple of 3. And then for dicot is usually multiple for 4 out of 5. So hopefully you can before lah. And then for someone leaf venation, net-like lah. Dicot is net-like, short net-like, and then monocoque is parallel. And then vascular bundle for dicot is arranged like a ring in the center, and then monocoque is scattered. And then the vascular cambium for dicot is present, and then monocoque absent. Dia tak ada vascular cambium. So that is why if you see this vascular cambium is the yang tengah-tengah ini ring kan stem pun tak ada vascular tissue scatter, mana ada vascular cambium. Ini logically. And then the secondary growth for dicot it has secondary thickening. And then for the monocoque, it does not have secondary thickening. Dia tak akan undergo secondary wall. So for the dicot plant, that is why for dicot plant is very big, and then it is considered as woody plant. Only the plant that can undergo secondary growth is considered as woody plant. And then the monocoque is not woody plant. Okay. Then for the cortex and pith, so the dicot, the cortex and pith are distinct. We can differentiate the cortex and pith easily, but for monocoque, the cortex and pith are not distinct. We cannot differentiate them because as you see this structure actually how to differentiate. If you cortex and pith you can know lah. For dicot actually tengah-tengah punya, but this macam mana? Dia sudah macam tak ada peraturannya. Macam cincai saja, so we cannot distinct clearly. So the root system, dicot is tap root, and then the monocoque is fibrous root. Okay, then the penvial consists of sepa and pecta, and then the penvial is not differentiated into sepa and pecta. Okay, the flower for dicot is in 4, and monocoque is in 5. Okay. So for this one is example lah. Hibiscus ini example lah. Yang ni minta maaf lah. If this is the scientific name. So actually you have to iterate that. Iterate form. Write in the iterate form. Not like this. Because maybe the computer, they are automatic become italic, become normal form. You have to italic, become italic form. Ini hibiscus those P, maize, orchid, barley, ini lah example dia. So ini senang je kerana awak sudah belajar dari ini SPM. I think you already learned it before. Okay, so that's all. That's it for phylum Angiospermophyta. Okay, so thanks for watching. You can scan this QR code to give us me a feedback how the video quality and then the explanation. Okay, and also any comment. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you.